Hey guys, welcome to Nairobi Kitchen and today's recipe. So don't forget, hit subscribe button, hit the notification bell, you don't miss any recipes, and don't forget to share even with your friends, your family, and also leave a comment on what you'd like me to cook for you next. So come on the journey, let's go. Thank you so much for being my subscribers. If you have not, it's your first time, thank you so much and you're welcome. So share the recipe, leave a comment how you found it, what you'd like me to make more of. Is it more crepes, more of the main dishes? Just tell me what you'd like me to cook and I'll be so happy to cook it. So until next time, thanks guys, bye.